Hello and welcome to this not only fun but also very powerful course that will teach you exactly how to design and create an eBay auction listing template using Photoshop CC. My name is Barry and I hope to be your course instructor. So the purpose of this lecture is just to entice you really, and also to just let you in on the contents of the course, the structure of the course, and what you can hope to know should you decide to join us on the course. What you're going to essentially know by the time you reach the end of the course. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so the course's structure. So the first video or first lesson essentially is an introduction to the course. This very video you're watching, an introduction to the course and also a welcome to the course. And just to, as I said, let you in on what you can hope to know, what you can hope to learn, and the structure and contents of the course. Then in the next section, we're going to go ahead and just take a look at a few things that are very important for you to know before we actually begin designing our eBay listing template. And then in the section following that, it's actually time to go ahead and begin our designing of our template and just laying it out correctly. Once we've completed that, we need to actually do what's called slicing and dicing, and there's actually a tool within Photoshop that we're going to use to do this. And once we've exported that HTML, we're going to go ahead and use a HTML editor to manipulate and finalize. And once we've exported that HTML, we're going to go ahead and use a HTML editor to manipulate and finalize the layout and structure of our template. Then we're going to go ahead and add our product images, our text, and also the content before going ahead and actually uploading it to the internet and then uploading it to eBay. And finally, of course, we're going to go ahead and conclude the course and hopefully bring everything to a very successful conclusion. So what can you hope to know by the time you reach the end of the course? Okay, you will essentially, as I said, be able to know how to design your own eBay listing template. And this is very, very powerful. No longer do you have to stick to the kind of boring and bland designs that eBay provide. You know, everyone can use those same designs. You're going to be able to create and use your own 100% unique design using Photoshop. Then you're going to know also how to actually export the text and images from your previously flat Photoshop image. You're going to learn how to export the text and images ready for use on the internet. And then you're going to also know how you go about uploading the HTML template to eBay the right way so that it looks nice and does the intended purpose that you want. Okay, so that's essentially it. You know, the only thing left to do now is actually to go ahead and get started. I really hope that you're going to join us on the course. We're going to have a lot of fun and you're going to learn a lot. So with that said, I can't wait to, and I will see you on the inside.